Hey everybody, this video got a Kwikset deadbolt that you can see has been drilled out. And if you want to see why it's drilled out, check out video number 107. And on this one I wasn't going to make a video on this, but I was messing around with it and something kind of interesting happened, so I figured I would actually open it on video. A little tip: if you don't have a key to a lock and you want to gut it and you're not going to shim it, you want to actually take the clip and pop it off halfway. Not all the way, because when you get it open you might accidentally pull the whole plug out and shoot springs and everything everywhere, but if you do it halfway then you can get it picked, and then you can easily get the clip off without accidentally locking it back. So that's just a little tip for anybody who's going to get into gutting locks and hasn't made the mistake yet of taking the clip off before you pick it and then just really launching things all over the place. So anyway, this came off of a house here. The house was built in 2008. Went on the property records and looked it up, and the customer told me this lock came with the house when the house was built. So you know, if you noticed or not here, we've actually got a little bit of rotation on it, which if I didn't know better I would say is a false set. There we go. I think that was hung up on number 3, so you got counter rotation and got her open. So now I'm going to go ahead and gut it. And since my clip is halfway off, I can easily get it the rest of the way off without accidentally spinning it back and locking it. And I don't have a key for it, so alright, key pins don't really care about. They're sticky because when I was trying to pick this thing on the job, I sprayed some tri-flow in it, so it's all greasy and whatnot. But anyway, there's the key pins. Order doesn't really make any difference since I'm not pinning it back to a key anyway. I think that might have been number 3 right here, and 5. It doesn't really matter. What's going to be interesting is up top here, so we'll just do number 5. Okay, so 5 is a standard pin. Number 4. Okay, number 4 is a standard pin. Now picking that, I think 3 is going to be a spool. And sure enough, so as far as I know, this is a stock Kwikset spool that a builder, or lock that a builder installed with a, it's going to have 2 spools, but I think 1 is going to be a spool as well. And last but not least, number 1. And, yep, and springs. Springs are just, of course, normal Kwikset springs. Interesting stuff is going to be on number 3. Got a spool. And on number 1, we've got a spool. So, this is the first Kwikset I've ever ran across that has spool pins, and I can tell you this hasn't really, I don't think this has been rekeyed anyways. Usually when these are rekeyed, the key pins will not be stock round Kwikset pins, as locksmiths don't normally carry those. They would just carry a universal pinning kit, which would have usually colored pins and they're pointed on the bottom. They're stock round Kwikset pins. That lady's right. When this was put in, this is a Kwikset lock with 2 spools from 2008. So, found it kind of interesting. Thought I would share it with everybody. And I guess that'll do it for now. And we will speak to everybody later.